is tariffs. Other tribe bring mammoth meat. Big, juicy, cheap. One bone, whole leg. Our hunters look, say, why me hunt mammoth? Me just buy. Me sleep all day. Chief angry. Say, no. If all buy, hunters no hunt, no bone, no job. Tribe weak, so chief build big wall at tribe gate. Say, if bring meat inside, give extra bone. That extra bone, that tariffs. Now meat from neighbor not cheap. Our hunters happy. Sell own meat again. But tribe stomach cry, ooga booga. Why mammoth leg now cost 3 bone? Some people whisper, maybe wall just trick. Chief want more bones for himself. Others shout, no wall, no tribe. We all eat neighbor meat, become lazy like sloth. Tariffs sometimes make fight in tribe. Who right, who wrong, nobody know. But everyone know one thing, belly's still hungry. You want more dumb smart story? You hit subscribe, or Chief put tariff on your bone.